If you're a fan of Middle Eastern vegetarian food, then you will love this classic and simple Turkish recipe for green runner beans called Taze Fasülye. First, we start with rinsing and drying the beans. The dish also works well with regular beans. Cut or break off the ends and any string running alongside the edges of the bean. This clearly depends on the type of the beans you're using, but also some of them don't have them, like mine. After removing the ends, we cut them into smaller pieces, but exactly how, it's up to the chef. I usually like cutting mine at an angle. You can cut them on a board or a handful at the same time. I like to cut mine without a cutting board, and I kind of use my thumb as a guide so I see where to place the next cut. By this, most of the beans will have the same length and will cook at the same time. Set the beans aside and continue with the tomato. To chop the tomato, cut the tomato in slices. And don't forget to cut off the stem end. Set the chopped tomatoes aside. The next thing we have to prepare is chopping the onion. Cut the peeled onion right in the middle. Place the half on the chopping board and cut 2 times lengthwise. Turn the onion half and cut 2 times crosswise. Continue with the other half and set aside. Add olive oil to a pan on medium heat and saute the onion until it's softened but not browned. This will take around 5 minutes. When the onions are softened, add the beans and fry until they start to turn vivid green. When the beans turn vivid green, it's time to add the tomatoes. Stir in the tomatoes and add the salt, sugar and water and stir well. Put the lid on and let simmer for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. After simmering for 20 minutes, remove the lid so the water can evaporate. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes with an open lid until half of the liquid evaporated. Turn off the heat and your dish is ready to be served. You can serve this dish with rice or a dollop of vegan Greek yogurt, sprinkle some black pepper or chili flakes on top, and enjoy! I hope you will give this dish a try, and if so, please let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.